Hello everyone! Welcome back to DRX Learning Hub. In pharmaceutical chemistry, various chemical reactions are used to prepare medicinal compounds. These methods ensure the purity, yield, and quality of the final product. This is one of the simplest and most common methods. In this method, acid reacts with a base to form a salt and water. For example, sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce sodium chloride and water. There's also the preparation of sodium acetate from acetic acid and sodium carbonate. Used for salts of weak acids, or bases like sodium citrate, calcium lactate, and so on. In the double decomposition method, two salts react by exchanging their ions to form a new compound and a precipitate. For example, silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride to produce silver chloride, which is a precipitate, and sodium nitrate. This method is used for insoluble salts such as silver chloride, barium sulfate, and others. Certain compounds are prepared by oxidation of suitable substances. For example, hydrogen peroxide can be prepared from barium peroxide and sulfuric acid. There's also the conversion of alcohols to aldehydes or acids, used for antiseptic and oxidizing agents. In the reduction process, oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added to convert a compound into a reduced form. Let's look at a couple of examples now. Preparation of ferrous sulfate by reducing ferric sulfate, and the conversion of nitro compounds into amines, used for iron salts and certain alkaloid derivatives. A compound is obtained as a precipitate when two soluble substances react in aqueous medium. For example, the preparation of barium sulfate or zinc carbonate. This method is used for compounds that are insoluble in water. Complex salts or esters are broken down by water to form simpler products. For instance, the preparation of aluminum hydroxide from aluminum chloride by hydrolysis. This is used for antacids and adsorbent preparations. Two elements combine directly to form a compound. For example, when hydrogen reacts with chlorine, it forms hydrogen chloride gas. Or, when sulfur combines with oxygen, it gives sulfur dioxide. This method is mainly used for simple inorganic compounds like hydrogen chloride, sulfur dioxide, and so on. So friends, these are the general methods of preparation of pharmaceutical substances. Each method depends on the nature of the reactants, the desired product, and the purity required. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DRX Learning Hub for more pharmacy lectures and short learning videos.